How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. Deleting TikTok messages from both sides is fully possible. In order to do that, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once inside the TikTok app, you can simply see the chat icon available at the bottom. Simply tap on the chat and go to the conversation you want to delete. Once inside the inbox, you can simply see there is a message sent to this person. Now, in order to delete this, simply long press on the text you want to delete. You cannot delete all the text at bulk, so you need to do it individually. Once you long press on it, you can see delete option available at the bottom. Tap on it. Once you tap on the delete, you can see delete for me or delete for everyone. Delete for me only removes the message from your chat, but delete for everyone deletes from the both sides. So simply tap on the delete for everyone. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.